on an iPhone. Go to your little thing down here on the bottom left, Safari. Type in m.safeguardproperties.com. Once you got that in there, you can hit go, but you got to make sure the M dot is in there, not just Safeguard Properties, M dot, or it will not take you to where the app is. Hit go, and then right there it is. You're going to select Photo Direct, touch that, and you're going to select Install. It should be installing. You can go check by flipping that, and there it is. We'll let this install, and then we'll try to open it. We may have to trust it. I'll show you how to do that here in just a second. Now all you're going to do is touch the Photo Direct app, and it should Untrusted Enterprises. Okay, so we have to go to Settings up here. We're going to scroll down to Device Management. Select that right there. Select Safeguard Properties, and then select Trust. Now it's trusted, so get out of that, and we'll go back. Touch the app, and then Photo Direct would like to send you notifications. Say no, don't allow. Check in, okay. Allow Photo Direct to access your location while you are using the app. Allow that. Now you're ready to enter your vendor code and password, which we will give to you.